Hello everyone, welcome to Eyebrow Makeup. Thanks for joining me again today. Today's video will be a eyeshadow tutorial on an eye look that I like to call Pretty in Pink. So it features pink and brown tones on the eyes, which is very flattering on Asian skin tones that are more warm skin tone like me. So yeah, the eyeshadow I'll be featuring in this video will be the BH Hangin in Hawaii eyeshadow palette, as well as the Revlon Colorstay Creme Shadow in Cherry Blossom. The number is 745. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave me suggestions on what you want to see in my next video. And yeah, I'll take you through my journey on how I accomplished this look. Okay, let's start with the first step. First things first, a nice eyeshadow look always starts with a primer. I'm going to be using a MAC primer by, it's called the Pro Longwear Paint Pot, and it's Camel Coat. The primer's done. Next, I will put the first color shadow. This is actually a cream shadow by Revlon Colorstay. It's the Revlon Colorstay Creme Shadow in Cherry Blossom. It's a 24-hour wear, up to 24-hour wear eyeshadow. And it's a nice pink color here. I'm gonna use a cream shadow brush to apply this. Sometimes the finger works too. I like to start with the brush and then finish off with the finger. You know what? I'm not liking the way that brush is applying, so I'm just going to use the applicator from the eyeshadow. To build more intensity, I wait for it to dry and then apply another coat. Fingers are a makeup artist's best friend. Nice! Okay, once I'm happy with the amount of pigmentation I get with this, I'll go on and choose a brown color right here. I'm using the BH Hangin in Hawaii palette. This palette has been my holy grail palette for traveling because it's light. It has all of these neutral colors as well as a lot of the shimmery ones that I can use right on the top of the lid, as well as for highlight, of course. For this look, I'm gonna go for dark brown. Mahalo I'm gonna go for right here. And using a crease brush, I'm just gonna use that to contour the outside. Okay, for a little bit of blending of the brown, I'm gonna go for a lighter color. Use this Shaka. Not sure I'm pronouncing any of this right, but that one. And just blending it a little bit above the darker brown color I just used, just to soften up the edges. Okay. Now I want some definition to my eyes, so I'm gonna go for an even darker color in this palette. Let's do Honolulu right here. Taking that and a smaller, more densely packed pencil brush, adding that to the outer corners. I'm going to take some underneath the lash line as well, as a quick and easy eyeliner. Okay, and the last part of the eyeshadow, of course, is my highlight. Let's use the Hula one right here. I just like to use my finger. It's a really, really strong highlight, so you just need very, very little. Okay, I'm doing a little bit more blending to clean everything up, and that's the eyeshadow part. Okay, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour eyeliner, my go-to Holy Grail eyeliner. And then I'm going to add some lashes. Okay, so the mascara and the eyelashes are on. I use the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This is a waterproof version. It really helps to kind of hold my lashes there. And then for the eyelashes, fake eyelashes, I use the Ardell Demi Wispies. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to clean up around the eye with some concealer. If you want, this is just an extra step. If you want, I'll take a little bit of that same Hula, the one we used for the highlight. I'm just going to put it in the inner corners with my pinky finger. Completely optional though. There you go. And that's the finished look. And that concludes my pretty in pink eyeshadow look. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I like filming it. If this is a little bit too neutral for you and you want to go for a smoky eye look, I have my other video on an intense smoky eye for Asian eyes, and I also have an ABG transformation video if you want to take a look at that. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on anything you like, any questions you have about the products that I use. I'll be happy to share that with you. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!